replacement bulbs. Bought them on Amazon. Five screws.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
one up in here.
one of them is long, and the other ones are short.
Okay.
And the long one goes here because you got all this extra.
Mm-hmm. Turn to the left. Pull it down. Plug it in. Recommend checking to make sure it works, because sometimes on LED bulbs you have to reverse the polarity or take the bulb out and flip it around to make it work before you put everything back together. There you go. Put the screws back in. Woo, that's some bright lights right there. That is a very bright reverse light. Super easy upgrade.